Hello paper crafting family, hope you are all well. This month we are making a birthday card with a cupcake on it. So this one here. You'll get a whole stack of things in your packs. All the bits you need to cut out, the card base, the shapes you can trace around, and a yellow envelope to put the card in. So let's get started. So grab your card base, and the first thing we're going to do is these triangle pieces down the bottom. So cut out from your, So you'll get one of these which has all the templates. So the yellow ones are for the yellow paper, the pink, it's not really pink, but this funny colour is for the glitter pink. So you get a blank yellow piece, pop your yellow triangle on there, use the corners to keep the straight so you don't have to cut all the edges, and get cutting. So I have one here that I've done, and the other piece that we need for the front is a pink glitter triangle. So you'll receive a pink piece of card, so pop your triangle bit on there, trace around it, cut it out, and there we go. Now which way does this go? There we go. So that will sit there. So grab your trusty glue stick, get gluing, scrap a piece of paper, pop some glue on nicely to the corners. And right down into that bottom corner and right edge there. And then we'll just snip that and bit off. And then similarly with the pink glitter, pop some glue on. And line it up in the corner. There we go. Okay, next piece is we'll prep the candle. So you'll receive a light yellow candle base in your cutting out template bit, like a candle backing piece. Just cut the inside of the lines there, which will just make it fit a bit better. So rather than outside the line, just do inside the line. So just finish this piece. And then also the flame is in the pink glitter. So we'll pop the flame on first and then this backing piece on there like that. So just a little bit of glue just on this sort of square piece. And then that lines up at the top of the yellow, just in the center. And then to hold everything together and also make it stronger, because it does actually slide out of the cupcake, we're going to put this cardboard piece on the back. Like that. So we'll glue that. Okay, so just set that aside to dry, and we'll pop the icing piece onto the cupcake base piece, again with glue. Okay. And so the outer, those circle bits line up. And then the cutout bit should line up at the top as well. There we go. And now we can pop our candle bit in the back here, so it just slides up through the hole. Just careful because it's still a bit wet, this bit, so you can let everything dry a bit before you play with that. And then we'll stick that down. Now, if you want, you can just leave the candle. You can put the number of the age of the person you're giving this birthday card to, or write happy birthday as they pull that out on there, or do whatever you like, so you can get a bit of interest. So when we stick this on, we're just going to put some glue on the side pieces here so the candle still can move up and down, and we don't block that with glue. Right. So put your candle down to the bottom sort of so you can see where it runs, and just a little line of glue on that outer edge. Oops. Now this one sort of sits just above the yellow and then in the middle there, so that gives the candle a little bit of room. To move up and down. There we go. So then there's that birthday candle. All right, inside we have 3 pieces, which I didn't show you on the original. We have the word celebrate there on a vellum, and then some pattern paper on the side, mirroring sort of the triangles from the outside piece. So that looks pretty cool. All right. So we'll do the vellum piece first, the words. So nice glue to the edges here because this paper can be a bit curly. I have done an overhang so that you cut this off at the edge, and lining up just at the top edge there. And at the fold. So not quite on the fold, so that you can still fold the card. And then we'll just cut that strip off. If you do it from the reverse, like I turn that card around, it's easier. All right, and now you can cut. I hadn't finished cutting this, so just cut out again your triangle pieces using your template. So just grey lead around and cut that. And if you need to rub out a little bit of the line. Okay, so this piece will go up the top. So again, we'll put some glue. Everything's sticking now. All right in the corner. And final piece is this pink one. And the long edge goes along the right hand edge of the card, like that. There we go. So just up to the top corner. That sort of should sit where that piece meets there. The vellum should meet up with that tip of that triangle. There we go. A nice bright happy pink and yellow birthday card, which needs to dry a bit more for mine. All right, I hope you have fun with that, and I will see you next month. Bye for now.